We are well and truly in it.
4 sleeping bags.
See them trees?
Nah, because that one's going to fall there. We're going to go down that way.
Me and Ellis are getting a beating tonight because Ronan's on the Stellas. Getting more layers on. Caramel, if you're watching, sponsor us. Because we're just decked out in caramel gear. Waterproofs. This how fresh this gear is. It's still got the tissue and the paper from it. Wow. Yo. Ready, bro? Alright people, we're all packed. I just need to get my bag on. Good to go, I think.
We're ready, you know.
What are we saying, boys? We are well and truly in it. I've done a stinker and left my phone in the car. Downloaded a film last night. Guess that's not getting watched. They're scrambling up the mountain. The scenes, it's beautiful out here. Alright, Ronan, give us the rundown, bro.
Welcome to our home for the night. Don't look like much, but hopefully we can make it do. This will be the living quarters, beds, food preparation, chill out area over there. 5-star campsite, this, isn't it?
Tent.
Now we're going to put the tents here, and then get the tarpaulin, set a fire in that. Yeah.
So what are we doing here?
Setting up here.
What, like that?
Yeah, down.
Going down?
Yeah. So get it as far up there as I can, and then dig it in with spikes here, and then what we need. Pull that rope over now.
Not what I had in mind.
Shambles, man. Got to go down.
Huh?
So go down.
Go down to what though?
Just a little low.
Just low. But to what though?
As soon as we light a fire, this is going to burn. It's going to set alight. Pack up and go low. Can you not go on the mat?
I tried.
No signal.
It took us an hour and a half to hike here. Oh, Ronan's got more bars. Go Google Maps. No, Google Maps. And then zoom out. We're exactly where we said we was gonna go, but we didn't know it was gonna be this shit.
I reckon, look, that looks flat there.
That's something going nowhere.
That's open, that.
Yeah, but with I reckon if we go a bit further, sort of like on the edge. Can you do 3D?
There's our car.
Terrain, there we go. Shit, sorry.
2 hours later.
Situation report. We're looking at nav. Can't find anything, so we're just gonna set up here. Gonna wait for this rain to pass, maybe, and just set up. This is pretty extreme conditions, like, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty extreme. Our options are to go back down and find another spot, go back up and find another spot, or stay here. That's our options. And I think staying here might be the one. Waiting for the rain to die down. I'm gonna set a fire and then get warm, because if you look, the rain's drying down a bit of the snow, so that'll die down. Set up the tents one at a time, help each other set the tents up, and I think once the tent's up and all our gear's inside, we're sweet then. But setting fire time now.
It's a net. It's not exactly.
I know, but I want to set them in dry clothes, you know what I mean? Yes.
It's not exactly what I had in mind, like.
Did you not?
But I didn't expect it to be perfect.
That's what I'm saying, it's
Yeah,
our first time, innit?
Make the best of the bad situation.
Wild camping, innit?
Yeah, we're not at a campsite.
Just need to get my feet drying and I'm nice then.
Guy's using his towel now. Bro, we're gonna get wet again.
You tip.
You big muppet.
That's what do, right?
Fucking walk through my ass. It's all big talk at the car.
Don't mock it, bro.
No, we're chilling, boys.
Do that setup. Bosh. Man sat.
Don't. Right.
I'm sinking in here.
Yeah. Told you they were a bad idea.
Yeah, all mossy shit,
It's not even stable ground, that's why. No, we're not taking this tarp down, bro.
We're set up now. But once this fire's kicking, and when it gets later, the wind will start moving slightly. Check my hands.
My hands are freezing.
I'm not even cold, you know.
I'm not, it's just my feet in it.
My hands are
Must be used to the cold.
No, it's just always my hands. I'm chilling though. As soon as we're getting our tents, we're laughing.
More warm as well, innit?
Stop the wind. And you've got to remember there's 2 layers to our tent. There's the outer layer and the inner layer as well.
And we've got them fucking things on the floor. Sleeping bags.
My hands are fucking cold. That goes this way. And
Is it here?
Put this on one of these.
It'll be underneath that.
it'll be underneath that big thing.
Yeah? In between us. We can put our feet on it.
That's in the open,
Oh,
that roll.
Yeah.
I'm fucking stood here.
Sit down then. Yeah, that's the log. Let's get our seating right. There's loads of for bags up here.
Right, ready?
Upside down, lad.
Upside down. You want the fire to go upwards.
Not put it down yet.
I'll leave it there, Ellis, bro.
Wow, what you doing?
Put it in because of the thing.
Because of the what, bro?
Wind. Alright, and you what? Hold it.
Put it down, you dick.
Go on out. Hold you.
That way, that's why.
Like the end there as well. Now you want to turn that upside down, to be honest.
Alright, shoot. It'll burn and it'll burn around it. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave it.
Nah, because it's supposed to do that. Light won't burn.
It's burning from both sides.
No, it's burning. Roll the freezing, you know.
My hand are.
Like, look, I can't feel that. That shouldn't be happening.
That shouldn't be happening.
Should it?
Fucking me and Ronan have got our hands in the frame here, and you just got Ellis's toes in the frame. The fire's cooking. Ellis has changed into dry gear.
I'm just looking at the instructions after we've already built what we built.
This fire's been an absolute lifesaver. Good purchase if I say so myself. My hands was absolutely freezing before. Now it's alright. I've not even showed you the base yet, look. The lake's there, don't know if you can see it through the trees. And then look at this view that we've got. That's our little setup with a tarp. That view.
Isn't it? That's a view, that, isn't it?
You reckon?
Are you doing it there?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. A narrow bit here. Where the shoulders are, yeah. There's an extra 2 pegs.
No, spare
Put
it.
them in the front, so if the wind comes that way. This feet up. Make sure you know where you're going during the night. You don't trip over anyone's peg. Add torches, add torches. Well, them other ones you want to sell us.
Yeah.
The poles go on the outside. You don't have a separate thing like that.
Wait. Direction of it, that then.
Oh,
Ronan, can you do me a favour? Take those 2 pegs out. I want to move it this way a bit.
put yours in. In.
In.
Go, bang on that.
I'll get out of this way, mate. Because if I get out that way, I'm gonna kick that.
12 seconds later.
These two might leave me.
Oh shit! See what I'm saying?
Wow.
Ellis, hold on to these, bro. Put them in your pocket.
Have a look at them trees just been putting them tents up.
So this is what me and Ellis are looking at. See them trees?
Nah, because that one's going to fall there. It's going to go down that way. It's going to hit that tree and go down that way.
So basically we pitched up between, look at all these down trees. But the best spot we can find, we hiked in an hour and a half to get here. All uphill as well. So I think this was the best we were going to get, to be honest. Ellis, what have you got there? Bro,
Cheers, bro.
here's camp. Ronan's, mine, Ellis's. There's where we're gonna base up in a minute. Cook our food, sit around the fire. Chilling that, innit? Look how clear that is now. See the lake a bit better as well, but I don't think you can see it on camera. We're set up, tents are set up. Sleeping pads, sleeping bags, set up. Waiting for it to get dark, and then we're gonna set a fire. Bit cold now.
That was serious, that vermin.
Glad we're chilling while everyone has the shit. Don't say that, bro. Wow, I'm the sky, man.
God knows what we walk through.
Oh, man.
I've got a weak belly.
Smells like puppy shit. Bro, shut the fuck up. I don't even want these no more. I got gold. Spicy gold. You've got spicy gold, man. 5%.
What's mine say?
White feet.
Just before I was going to say it as well. Bastards.
Me and Ellis are getting a beating tonight because Ronan's on the Stellas.
I'm doing 4.6.
I'm padlocking my tent me.
It's alright. I'll just lift the tent up.
Ronan.
Lift your tent up.
Don't smoke on it. It's been dying to put that on. That's why it's getting dark, yeah.
Whoa, we got a minute. What are you doing?
That's a decent one.
What? You can angle him as well. Look. Fucking hell. Are you doing it all at once?
Yeah. Not messing, is it?
The rain's picked back up as well now. Look at that now.